Hi besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video actually I did it a long time ago. It's like 2 weeks, but now I failed to post it at the right time, and then I was like, I won't post it. But after like thinking through it, I was like, let me just post it. Even if it's late, let me just post it, because it's a haul I did after the shopping video that I did with you guys. Yeah, so I was like, let me just post it before the month ends, because it will be irrelevant posting it in June. Yeah, so that's me basically showing you what I bought at the supermarket. This time I mostly did meat and very few foodstuffs, because staying alone means you won't like finish all your grocery at once. So most of the things that I refill on a weekly is the milk. Like I usually take fresh milk. Yeah, so that's the major part of my shopping. The others, I know I'll like take time before getting new or refilling the the grocery. Yeah, so yeah, my plan was to get vegetables later. Like I wanted to go to the market and get like fresh vegetables, something that I failed to do, because after doing this shopping I got a lot of activities and I was so busy, so I couldn't like manage to go to the market. So I was just buying vegetables as I was needing them. I didn't do like a lot of shopping after that. Featuring my very empty fridge. The only thing that's there is there are cabbages and the carrots that I stored from some previous vlog. And yeah, I haven't been cooking at home because of my busy schedule. That's why my fridge is kinda empty. Yeah. I think these deodorizers work, because like my fridge never smells. Even if you put like food, they don't transfer smells. tried like to cut the meat, but it was really tough. There were like several tendons. I think this is the knee part. I gave up. I'll do it later, like in the video when I'm done with cleaning the other meat, because like I saw it will like take a lot of time, and the meat is kind of like the meat is soft. The problem is the tendons. There's so many tendons in between. Yeah, give up. By the way, I prefer cleaning and cutting the meat and then putting it in the clean container before storing it, because like once you store meat it will get frozen, and then during the process of cooking you'll have a hard time waiting for it to like defrost and then cut it, wash it. Like I prefer doing the hard work right now, and then during cooking it will be easier. I'll just defrost it and cook it straight without hassling. Yeah, I usually see people just storing the meat from supermarket with the containers they bought them with, but no, I don't have problems during cooking. Yeah, that's why I'm going through all this process right now. Yeah. Actually, during the introduction, I forgot to ask you to subscribe to my channel in case you're watching and you haven't. And then remember to like the video. When you like the video, when I have a lot of likes, YouTube will help me in recommending the video to like many people, and I'll get good number of views and the watch hours. Because anyway, we are in the goal to 4,000 watch hours, something that it's not easy but very achievable. We are almost there. Yeah, because you've shown me great support on my previous vlogs. Yeah. I've just realized that there's a lot of cleaning and repetition in this video, but I think it's because like I'm using one item to do everything. That's why I'm cleaning the chopping board and the colander. Is it a colander? I think it's a colander. We used to call it colander back in high school in science. Yeah, so there's a lot of cleaning of the 2 items plus the sink, because I don't know what I'm avoiding. Cross-contamination? Maybe, but I just don't want my sink to smell meat. Or to transfer the smell of one meat to another. That's why I'm doing a lot of cleaning. Yeah, I've just realized, actually, since I started vlogging, I'm now watching myself, and I realized that I usually handle water so much. Like, I play with water. Mind you, water is expensive in my area, by the way. It's like 200 bob per unit. In my previous house, it was 100. Here, it's 200 bob. And I just have the habit of using a lot of water anytime I'm in the kitchen. there's the carrots. These are the carrots I stored like 2 weeks ago, if not 1 week. And then I just want to change the water. The water still looks fresh, but I'll just change it since I've touched it. Because I might forget. Looks fresh, yeah. I'll just go change the water and then put it back to storage till the time I'll think of cooking something that needs carrot. Yeah. In case you're wondering, let me just excuse myself why my fridge looks empty, apart from not having like fresh food or like cooked food that I usually store in tins. I'm not a fan of soda, like having soda in my house, soda or like the juices. So that's why you don't see any soda in my fridge. But when I have guests, hey, this fridge is usually full of juices. I think this is the last thing that I'm doing, just the candy. Yeah, putting the sugar in the jar. Yeah, thank you for reaching this far, this end of the vlog. I'm almost like finishing the vlog. Thank you for reaching this far. Like, you watching up to this end means a lot to me. Yeah, and remember to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, share to your friends. And see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. I have just realized that I say yeah so many times. Clean sink, clean surface.